Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. The primary product that I use for my brows is this lock on liner. I don't know if you can see it. It says lock on liner and brow cream in the color espresso. You don't have to have your brows this dark. I just like my eyebrows this dark because it balances out with my enormous forehead. So what I do is I take my e.l.f. mist and set. You see what I'm doing? I'm spraying it. I use this old mascara brush. I took some, you know, like soap and water, and I just cleaned it off so I could use it. So what I'm doing is, I think I need to get a little closer. Okay. So what I'm doing is, I'm taking my eyebrow brush. I'm taking this, and I'm brushing it. I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards. Well, upwards and downwards, just so I can get the shape of it. Remember when we sprayed our stuff in there? So I'm gonna take this e.l.f. angle brush. You can get it from Walmart, Target, the e.l.f. website, Amazon, whatever. So I'm taking it and I'm kind of on the brush. So what I'm doing is I like to draw my arch first, just so I could like map out the rest of my eyebrow. I'm drawing out the arch first because I like to see where the rest of my eyebrow needs to go. So you see, after I draw my arch, I just kind of draw a line like this. You see how it's starting to curve over like this. So after I get the top part, I don't go to the bottom yet. I don't really like go to the tail yet. After I stop right here, I go to the bottom. I map out the bottom of it. And you see how after I draw on the bottom, after I draw the arch, it's all starting to come together. And now we have a not completed, but semi-completed. All we need to do is really color it in. See, you see how I'm just, don't worry about all this. Don't worry about all this right here. When I carve it out, it's gonna look way better. So again, now we gotta remember that eyebrows are sisters and not twins. So it's gonna look a hot mess when you first do it, but don't fret because we're going to carve them out. Okay, so now that we have our eyebrows put on, I just kind of brush them out. And I know y'all seen people carving out their eyebrows with concealer. No ma'am, because it's gonna look a hot mess when you do your whole face. So I use my foundation for my eyebrows. Same foundation I use. I just put on the back of my hand. I always like to start slow, and I like to start on the bottom. What I do, I go underneath, and I go really, really slow. I like my eyebrows to be arched up to the sky. So I go more up under my arch. I take more away under my arch, as you would say. See, the arch is getting higher. And now you see on the bottom, it looks way more clean. It looks way cleaner than it did before. It looks way cleaner than this side. And then on the top, I start out slow as well. And you see I'm going in short strokes. So I like to go slower when I do my eyebrow. Okay. So that's what we have on the right side. You see how clean it is compared to this side, but it's way cleaner. The right is way cleaner than the left. So we're gonna do what we did last time. All right, so I'm done with my brows, but again, I cannot see. So I take a bigger mirror like this, and I just I look to see where I messed up at, and then I just and I fix what needs to be fixed. Y'all see that the right side always ends up better than the left. I think what I needed to do, I needed to make my tail on the left side a little bit thinner. Then when I feel like I've gotten it right, I check again. All right, so here's your finished product. And don't get discouraged if you don't get it on the first or second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth time, because it took me a long time to learn how to do and perfect my brows. So don't give up if you mess up the first 1,500 times, because I know I did. So with that being said, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see y'all next time.